Latif Lovejoy Entertainment.
So I'm on my way now to the metro station. I'm gonna take a train for the first time in Dubai. So apparently these train stations are amazing, man. So I'm gonna check it out. And yeah, see you guys on the other side. So I'm just gonna walk now and see what that's saying. But yeah, it's quite a different side of Dubai actually, this particular bit. If we look around, it's a bit more urban, you know, but it's nice, still nice. So I'm just gonna check out the local shopping district here and see what they got going on. Yeah. So this is approaching Al Karama now. This is kind of like the downtown version of Dubai, you know. There's not all of these lush buildings around here. This is a bit more urban. It's a bit like, you know, Hollywood and downtown LA. It's kind of like that similar comparison. Obviously Hollywood being, you know, the nice part and downtown being the real part. Yeah, this is downtown Dubai. Yeah, downtown Dubai. So yeah, man, very interesting to see the contrast. Here we have more of Al Karama. So this is the real part of Dubai, people. The part of Dubai that they never show people. This is the real part right here. It's nice though. I like it. It's gritty and urban. This is the Trip in Dubai, not so far from the Grand Millennium, the one I was at previously, and this is a super clean toilet and shower area here. Very clean toilet. Of course they've got the arse washer. So we move out here, come to the room. That's really nice, not as big as the previous one, but this is smaller, more compact, but very contemporary, as you can see with the artwork and the decor. Very stylish. I do like it. I'm liking the red, am I colorblind? The white, black and gold theme, which is really nice. Yeah, it's quite a nice place here, you know, TV, yeah. Not that I'm ever gonna watch it, hardly. All I really need is Wi-Fi, to be honest. And what I really like about this place is, in case you've forgotten where you are in the world, they will remind you. There's a flag of the UAE on the wall here. So you can see all the various parts of the United Arab Emirates. And of course, we are in Dubai. Yeah. Lovely. This is quite a nice touch from the general manager here at the Trip in Dubai. So she's written here, Welcome Latif. Super duper awesome to have you crash with us at Trip. Enjoy. Thank you, Joella, who is the, she's got Latif Lovejoy there like that, and Joella is the general manager. That's a nice touch. Just walking up through the hotel lobby, man, about to get some lunch. This lobby is so nice.